It's the first day of school for Chicopee students. This year, the district received a new budget, and they were able to make some changes and additions to help improve their schools.
Western Mass News reporter Alyssa McCann live for us now at Chicopee High School with details on all this. Alyssa.
Yep, that's right, guys. Another new school year, which means it's a fresh start for students and staff here. And there's also plenty of new additions, so the district has a lot to look forward to. Over the last 3 to 4 years, the Chicopee School District struggled with their budget. The district was not getting enough money from the state.
Education is probably 85% salaries. Teachers, administrators, crossing guards, bus driver, everything, food service, and those salaries go up every year. And yet our increase in Chapter 70 money simply did not allow us to meet those requirements.
Superintendent Richard Regi tells Western Mass News they made several budget cuts over the years, which hurt their district, but they are excited for this new chapter.
This is really a healing budget, and by that I mean that the money that we've received from both the city and the state allows us to heal some of the wounds that we've incurred over the last 3 or 4 years, where we had to make some drastic budget cuts, which impacted staffing, impacted programs, impacted technology replacement. And so this budget really allows us to get back to what our solid foundation was.
Regi says this year's new budget will allow Chicopee Public Schools to put a new kindergarten through grade 5 program. There will also be a new 6th and 7th grade social studies curriculum. Both of these decisions were made based on curriculum committees where teachers participated in. In addition to the new curriculum, they will be replacing technology throughout the schools.
As you know, it's great when you have it and you begin to rely on it, but then if you've bought it all pretty much at the same time, guess what? It all starts to go bad at pretty much the same time. So we're able to do that this year and get back on track with a 5-year recycling of technology, so I'm very excited about that.
The new budget will allow air conditioners in all of the elementary schools, something everyone is looking forward to.
Which currently have no air conditioning in them, as well as Bellamy Middle School, which is the oldest middle school. So that'll be probably a 3-year process, but we're going to be starting on that in September.
This year, the superintendent, Richard Regi, tells us he's excited for these new additions. And it was important for him to make sure the schools were in good shape before he retires this January. Now, coming up in the next half hour, we'll talk about the new security and mental health plan that Chicopee Public Schools has added. In Chicopee, Alyssa McCann, Western Mass News.